Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make Kimchi's Yaki-Onigiri. Today I'm making some onigiri with kimchi and cheese and pan fry them. Yaki-Onigiri is usually grilled, but it's okay to pan fry. My family is crazy for this onigiri and I hope you like it too. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this Yaki-Onigiri, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need. 2 cups of Japanese rice, 300 grams of kimchi, 2 handfuls of shredded mozzarella, 2 tablespoons each of sesame oil, soy sauce and sesame seeds, 1 tablespoon of sugar and some Korean nori seaweed. Japanese nori seaweed is thicker and unseasoned, and Korean seaweed is much thinner and seasoned. To make this onigiri, this Korean nori seaweed is better. First thing first, I'm going to cook the rice. Let's rinse it. Add some water. Stir gently. Drain. And repeat this 3 or 4 times. Put the rice in the pot. It's 2 cups of rice. I'm adding 2 cups of water. Rice and water is always 1 to 1. Put the lid on and soak the rice in this water more than half an hour. It's to give enough time for rice to soak up the water to the core so the rice is nice and fluffy to the core when it's cooked. It's been soaked for half an hour, so let's start to cook. Just turn the heat on and bring it to boil over medium-high heat. Now, the rice is boiling. Turn the heat to low as much as you can go and let it simmer for 12 minutes. Simmer for 12 minutes. Kill the heat, keep the lid on and let it steam at least for 10 minutes. In the meantime, let's mince kimchi so that it's easier to make it into onigiri and also you have kimchi in every bite. Just mince it. The rice has been steamed for 10 minutes. Let's season it with soy sauce and sugar and add kimchi. Fluff it first. Soy sauce. Sugar. Mix it well. Then kimchi. back on and let it cool down until it's still warm but it's touchable. And by leaving it for a while, you're also letting the rice soak up all the seasonings. I left it for 10 to 15 minutes. It's still warm but it's touchable so that I can make it into onigiri. Let's mix the remaining ingredients. Sesame seeds, shredded mozzarella, and Korean nori seaweed. Mix it well. The sesame seeds works as a guide to check if it's well mixed. If you see sesame seeds in one spot, that means it's not well mixed. If you see it all over the rice, that means it's well mixed. It looks mine is well mixed, so let's make it into onigiri. Prepare a bowl of water to keep your hands wet all the time. The rice is very sticky, so you need to keep your hands wet all the time. And also, small bowl to standardize the size of each onigiri. Wet your hands and also the mold. Using bowl of water and put the rice in the mold. Take it out on your hand and try to make it into triangle shape. Like this. Wet your hands and the mold. Put some rice. Take it out on your hand and triangle. Depends on the size, but you can make about 10 onigiri using 2 cups of rice. Now, it's time to pan fry them. Heat up sesame oil in the frying pan over medium to medium-high heat. And let's put the onigiri using wet fingers. Again, the rice is very sticky. And cook them until it's nice and crispy at the bottom. The bottom side is looking good, so let's flip them over. The other side is looking good too. Let's turn the heat off. And Kimchi's Yaki-Onigiri is ready to go. Time for the tasting. You can have onigiri using your hand. So, itadakimasu. Did you hear the sound? It's so crispy. And the cheese adds richness and creaminess, and it's absolutely delicious. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 to 2 side dishes. Yaki-Onigiri goes here and wakame soup here. Anything you like for the other dishes, but how about kanitama for the main, daikon salad for one of the side dishes, and some sort of pickles to refresh your palate for the other one. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!